Chapter 2 of Learning Seaside, we'll develop a Hello World application. Here we're launching the Seaside one-click experience, and this opens a Squeak image with Seaside loaded. We can see two windows inside the main Squeak image. One is a workspace that includes various comments and small talk expressions. The comments are included in double quotes, and the small talk expressions are the lines that are not in double quotes. WA-COM encoded is a global, that's the name of a class. Here you can see we're sending it the start on message and the stop. We're going to go to the end of the workspace window and add some small talk code. 5 between 3 and 7, and say print it gives us true. 2 plus 3, and say print it gives us 5. The other window is an OB system browser. This contains a list of categories, classes within each category, method categories, methods, and then the actual code is seen in the bottom text area. The Seaside Examples Miscellaneous package has 4 classes. The WA-Counter class has 7 methods. We can also look at class-side information as well as instance-side information for the WA-Counter. The WA-Counter class has a method named renderContentOn that contains the lines of code that we see in the bottom text entry area. We can create a new class clicking in the left-hand list, which gives us a new class template. We can enter the class superclass, WA component, the subclass name, Hello World, and the category, glass. This gives us a new category on the left-hand list, class in that category of Hello World, and currently there's no methods in that class. We can click on the All method category. This gives us a method creation template that we can replace with our new method. Our new method will be renderContentOn. RenderContentOn is probably the most popular, significant method in the Seaside framework, and we'll say HTML heading Hello World. It asks for our initials so that we can keep track of when the method was edited. Now we've entered the code for Hello World, we need to register Hello World as an application. So we'll go back to the workspace and enter Hello World, register as application, and give it the name Hello. Control D will say do it and execute that small talk code. Then we can return to our web browser, refresh Seaside, and see that Hello World is now the first item in the list. Clicking on it takes us to a web page that shows Hello World. So now we have a web application that is putting out some text. We'd like to make that a bit more complex, so let's say now is a local temporary variable in the method, and it will hold an instance of date and time from now. Then our HTML heading will start with a heading that says Hello World, and then put in another line, a heading level 3 of the current date time, and then when we refresh, we see that we're generating content dynamically. And notice when we refresh again, the time changes. This shows that we're generating the content as the code is being executed, as the request comes in. We can save our image to keep this code that we've written, and then quit, either saving or not. That shows us a Hello World example in Seaside.